Latest Claude model is on another level and I need to showcase you this. This is a simple and new Claude code session. It just has my YouTube as a context. I just prompted it with a simple query that says ask me questions that would help you determine a micro software similar to I gave it an example that will be useful for us to build. Make sure you ask a few screening questions to get what I'm going for right. This is the wild part of Opus 4.6 and I'll run this now. It's gonna think for a second, of course. Okay, I did one tiny mistake. So in this place, you wanna make sure this is on plan. I was on code version. When you click it, actually, it tells you code is start immediately. Plan is define a plan. You want to select plan. So I'm running it again. Okay, it just says here are 10 questions to decide and ask a user question. Then we have this place here. It's telling me what is the repetitive manual step like in your workflow that annoys you most. Okay, let's say file wrangling is a problem, so I wanna name the edits and cuts of my recordings aptly. So it now asks me, is this a tool meant to process a file or is it interacting with an app or a service? It will be a file processor. It wants to interact with an app. Now it's asking me, does this involve smooth capture? This is my recording software. Bundle specifically or a different part? Okay, works with YouTube uploads. Are you gonna use this in every video or only sometimes? Let's say every single video. And it now knows my answers. If I open this up, user has answered questions with these answers. It knows this. It's now gonna think about a file processor used in every video related to YouTube, and the pain is file wrangling. Let me dig deeper. It's now thinking and it's gonna ask me new questions. What are the files you have a problem with, and let's say asset collection so now it's gonna ask me what's the input, and these are actual folders I have, and it's the Claude code knows because of the context we have. Let's say AI tool outputs. What is your desired output for this? And one folder per video is what I want. How many files and steps does this take currently per video? Let's say 7 plus and 5 minutes. It now knows these answers. And it's gonna ask me 2 more questions to lock it fully down, I guess. Which AI tools are generating these outputs, and they are browser downloads. What types of our sets are in these 7 plus types? And they are basically all creation artifacts. Basically, I'm talking about the images I show in my videos. Those are AI generated and I talk about those images, so I need to organize them. And it's gonna now build me an app for it. It summarized everything I've told it, and it's also asking me more questions. I think that's enough to understand how good this is.